Welcome to Runway Academy. Today, we're going to be building a custom workflow. The winter season is fast approaching and I need to get winter content ready for my business, so I'm going to build a completely custom workflow to help me. To access workflows, navigate to the left sidebar, click on Workflows, and then New Workflow. Let's start by right-clicking on the canvas and adding a text node, then typing in what I want the workflow to achieve. By using a JSON formatted output, it's going to guarantee that each output from the LLM is different, and it will give us a structure that we can extract the information from later. This is going to make a lot more sense in just a minute. Now let's right-click and add an image upload node, then I'll upload a picture of my product. Okay, now we need to pipe these inputs into something that is going to convert the idea into prompts. And for that, we're going to add an LLM node, which is going to iterate and automate this process for us. We'll connect the text node to the text prompt input, and the image to the image1 input, and then click Run. We now have 3 unique prompts that feature our product, but we need to build the image creation flow next. Let's add another text node, another LLM node, and an image generation node. In the text node, let's write extract the information from ID1 only and output the text verbatim. Now we're going to connect our text node to the system prompt input of the LLM node, which is serving as the system instructions. Then connect our first LLM node output into the text prompt input. This is now going to tell the LLM to only extract the first prompt from our larger list. Finally, connect the output of the LLM node to the prompt input of the image generation node, along with our product image into image slot 1. Click Run on the LLM node, which will extract prompt 1 from our list, and then click Run on the image generation node to create the image. Since we asked this workflow to create 3 unique prompts, we would just repeat this process 2 more times on the canvas. Simply hold down Shift, box select your nodes, copy with Ctrl or Command C, paste with Ctrl or Command V, then make sure your inputs are connected to the new nodes, and change the text node at the top to look at IDs 2 and 3. And now you're ready to completely automate your workflow. You can click Run on the nodes individually, hold Shift and box select to run specific nodes only, or run the entire workflow from start to finish, which will regenerate everything in the canvas. One of the most powerful things about workflows is the ability to edit the outcome of any step in the process. For example, I can add 3 more image nodes to all of my outputs, change the aspect ratios of each node, then when I run my workflow, I now generate 4 images per prompt, all in different aspect ratios that feature my product. If you want to turn any of these images into videos, just send the output from the image node to the input of a video node, add a prompt, and now you've got videos too. Or if I wanted to generate any other type of image, I can simply edit the system instruction node at the beginning of the workflow to be whatever I want it to be, then run the workflow to get a completely new set of images. Workflows is a very powerful way to bring together multiple steps of the generative process into a single customizable place. For more helpful tips and tricks, make sure you check out the help articles. You can also join our Discord to see how other folks are using workflows, or if you need to ask us a question directly, you can use this button on your dashboard at any time.